Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to charge your RAZER Edge V2 Pro. So I have my charging cable right here. It's USB Type-C. And the first option, we can just plug it in here to our gamepads. And as you can see, it started charging. And now, the second option is to charge just a tablet. So we don't need it. And now, I'll just take my cable and plug it in here. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.